All right, fellas, always check the coolant. It's really important.
What a great day to be alive!
If you don't have, just do it now. Go out to your car and check the coolant. I always carry something with me. And if you don't watch your coolant status, you can go in big trouble with an overheating engine, right? So don't do that. Don't do that. It's also good to don't put just water in it. Put some antifreeze in it as well. All right, fellas? That's really important. And another thing I have to address is the power outlet here right in the front, because it's loose. Usually there's a bracket, and it is a bracket on the side, and this is unfortunately up to the frame, but it isn't. We got the bracket, but there's no screw up to the frame. Still wondering why, but I have here a spot free where I can put it. I guess I will drill a hole and get a screw through, and then we can put it back where it should be. All right, let's just get a closer look. I will unscrew this bolt. Maybe I can turn around the bracket, and then I'm thinking about something like that, and the power outlet is sitting like this. Could be an option, or I put it here on the side of the bracket from the battery holder. Is also a possibility. Pretty tight, and I guess the bracket is already broken from somewhere, but I can figure out where it was sitting before on the right way. I'm really not sure. So in my BJ73, it's sitting right in front here and not so close to the bed. No, it's the opposite. It's close to the battery as well. Going with the tree, fellas and Felacitas. I know you are watching, because you are also addicted to the finest cars you can imagine. So what is it? So it's a 10. Great. And it's pretty tight. So it's okay. Must be work like that. Yes. Righty tighty loosey lefty. Think about righty tighty loosey lefty. Oh. Come on. Need some time. I don't have a rush, so can I turn it just around like this? Yeah, looks like. So it's like a bracket. It has 90 degrees, but then it has an angle. Can you see that? Yes. And this angle, also 90 degrees, would be better to got on the firewall, but it's not working like that. So as always, working with the benchy bench. All right, fellas. This is exactly the bolt we need. And now I just will drill a hole, and then we are good to go. So it's benchy bench time. Let's see what we got. Start with this one, and then I can rise gripping here just on the bottom. Okay. Okay, another round. The bolt is going through and it's sitting perfect. So as you can see, the head is a little bit bigger, so I go with a big drill to get some off of the material. Alright. Sitting really good. Alright. Oakley dokley. Now we will get it tight. To don't have so much loose parts around your engine bay. I really don't like that, so that's why I grab the time it needs to be finished. Okay. This is tightened up, and now you will get tightened up as well. I just hope that the hood is not sitting on the power outlet, but let's see if I have tightened it up, if everything is matching, or we have a space issue. Space issue. Space issue. I think you know what I mean. So, bleep bloop it down. Where is sitting your power outlet in the engine bay? Like my one now? Maybe you did the same, don't you? I got you. Haha, I got you. Oh. Oh. Don't scratch it up. Don't scratch it up. But it's a tight position to tight the bolt. Tight, you know? You know what I mean? You know what I'm talking about? Okay. Look the way it is right now. Power outlet is safe and secure on the fire fender. You know what I want. You know. It's a mixer. All right. So it's safe and secure. Not the way it was. Thanks, fellas, for tuning in. I hope you liked my tiny little job. Already turned out 15-minute job to get a little bit more safe and secured and sorted out in the engine bay. I really appreciate you are turned in. Please like, subscribe all the footage, and see you next time on the 4-wheel drive chat. Thanks.